Hey food lovers! Welcome to K Cooks. This is Kavya and I prepare pure vegetarian recipes that are very easy to make and can be done on the go. You can also watch them in Telugu and I'll link them in the description box below. Do check it out. Today we're making a very easy, tasty, yummy 2-ingredient Oreo mug cake. No eggs, no flour, just Oreo and milk. That's it. And in 2 minutes, your cake is ready. We all have those days where we are very lazy to make something, but we want to have a very nice, yummy cake. We all have those sweet craving days. We just want to watch Netflix and chill with the cake on the side. And this recipe is perfect for those days. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, take a clean microwave-safe mug and add in around 5 to 6 Oreo biscuits. Now you can break them into pieces or add them as whole biscuits, or you can crush them or grind them. But because this is a lazy recipe, we're avoiding too much work and I'm just breaking them and adding them. Oreo is irresistible, but trust me, it tastes much better when you make a cake out of them. That's it. Just add in all these biscuits and it's time to add our second ingredient. I'm taking around half a cup of organic milk and adding them to these biscuits. We're done with 2 ingredients. Pour the milk enough so that the biscuits get dipped in the milk. Just mix them well, mash the biscuits. It's very easy to mix and mash because they're already dipped in milk and they become soft as you keep mixing them. That's it. No egg, no baking soda, and no other ingredients, just these 2. Mix everything together so that the consistency is of a cake batter. It's so amazing to see how these biscuits and milk turn into a cake batter. So chocolatey and creamy. This is an extremely easy, lazy recipe. Anyone can make it literally. Mix them well and this is the consistency you want. It's very chocolatey and creamy. Perfect for those lazy evenings. Now just pop it into the microwave for about 2 minutes to get the cake ready. Now this time depends on the amount of cake batter you have, so the more quantity you have probably takes a little more time. So first try baking it for about 1 minute and then increment it by 30 seconds, but it shouldn't take more than 2 minutes. And our 2 minutes 2-ingredient mug cake is ready. Take it out of the microwave, and this is the classic toothpick test we all know, right? Just insert the toothpick and it should come out clean. That's when you know our cake is ready. And this looks so perfect. I personally like to eat it hot, but you can also put in an ice cream on the side. But I'm drizzling it with some brown sugar and eating it with some chocolates for that extra chocolatiness. And trust me, this is the softest, gooeyest cake you'll ever eat. And extremely simple to make. My mouth is just watering. Just go make yourself one now. If you like the video, please subscribe to K Cooks. You can also watch them in Telugu and I'll link them in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you all in the next video.